Whew, carrying these up here has me sweating. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Kristen Marie. I'm a licensed esthetician, YouTuber. Y'all already know what to do. Today we are gonna be doing the first video of a little series that I'm gonna put together of my honest and full review of the company Zemits. So you may have heard of them before, you may have seen them popping up on your Instagram or YouTube. I know I had seen them a few times before the company reached out to me, so thank you so much, Zemits and Elizabeth and your team, for making this possible. I am officially a Zemits ambassador, but I have made it very clear to them that I'm going to be reviewing their machine and their products with full honesty, full transparency, and I wanted to make a whole series of my first impressions, unboxing, treatments, things like that, client feedback, the whole deal, because I did do a review on another machine before and I just felt like one video just didn't encompass everything, and I know you guys had more questions in that video. So now that I'm trying a new machine, I wanted to do it differently this time and give you a bit more detail. So in today's video, we're just gonna be doing a simple unboxing, just kind of what to expect when it comes to what products I received and what machines and things like that. So if you are interested in that, then go ahead and continue watching. So there was actually a couple more, so I grabbed those ones. Okay, I did already open it up, but I haven't pulled out anything. So first I have the Zemits Verstand HD machine, which is a hydrodermabrasion machine. It also has several other modalities attached to it. This, I believe, are just some products that go with that treatment, and then I also did get the Anginox 2.0, which is their microcurrent machine. And I want to say this baby right here is the cart that the Verstand HD is going to be on top of. So you know how you have your little utility carts? Well, Zemits has their own cart that the machine sits on top of. If you guys have been here before, you know it's a little tight in here, so I'm gonna have to figure out a little creative way to fit all of this in here. But I believe I'm gonna be moving my other machine to Kristen's room so that some of this can fit in here, but we'll figure it out. Okay, let's open up the Verstand. Yeah.
Some space in your thing for me to Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's like
Kristen's here too. Okay, so let's open this up. This is like hefty, man. I'm recording right now, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. They know you. I'm just doing like an unboxing. How in the hell do I open this? This is like heavy duty. Okay, so little accessories and all of that. Make checklists, make sure everything's in here. Ooh, some cute stickers. And then I guess they give you a little QR code here to access the product training course and manual link. Okay, so let's see, it has this little box here. Oh, okay, so here's the diamond tips and silicone tips. There's that. And the little, you know, stuff that collects the debris from the skin, and the hoses and the diamond head and the Also, all the cords and accessories are in here. I'm not even gonna bother whipping that out just yet. And then there's the machine. Let's see here. We got some, like a fan brush and a little silicone bowl, the tubing pieces. Let's see here. I don't even know if I want to take all of this out because I'm afraid I'm going to make a mess. I don't know where to put it. Okay, so just the piece that I believe goes on top for the different modalities. Very secure. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. Baby, I've been waiting for you. You guys, this has been like months in the making, by the way. I'm so happy to finally get my hands on this, and it's a little heavy, but I mean it fits in my hands. I was kind of wondering how big it was gonna be, so hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of like how big it is. Like it's like this next to me. You're able to carry it, so it's not too bad. It does have a protective film over it. Let's see if there's anything else in here. This maybe could have been secured a little better. Hopefully that's not broken. Looks like the oxygen mister kind of came out of its box. Nothing looks damaged. Okay, so that's the Verstand. Nothing else is in here. And then I did open this a little bit, the microcurrent machine. So again, similar, just some stickers and links to the training. Giving me some gloves. And here it is in the box. This over. Okay. Here is the Adrenox 2.0. Oh yeah, this is small, you guys. Look, it's like this big. So easily could fit on my little dolly there. I'm gonna keep this for now. And then on the side here are some just of the accessories and the, these babies right here that make the face move. So excited! Okay, so we got some products here. We got the vitamin C infusion serum, the revitalizing antioxidant serum, the Oxy-Tite skin repairing boosting serum, and the Luminoxy brightening and revitalizing serum. And then we have the HydroClear clarifying hydrodermabrasion serum, and the Salic Pure purifying hydrodermabrasion serum, and the Equishear, not for skin. Oh, this is for machine cleansing and sanitizing solution. Okay, just one more. We got the collagen boosting peptide gel for the face and body. I'm gonna have to figure out where all this is gonna go, but just wanted you guys to be able to see what I received. I think I'm gonna try to open this part up and just see what, you know, if I'm able to set it up now. I might set it up. Let's just open her up and just see what we're working with. Okay, so of course comes with some instructions. It looks easy enough to install. This is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm not gonna go and film this whole assembly because I'm sure y'all don't want to see all that, but it looks pretty simple. I'm pretty good about building stuff, so this looks pretty easy actually. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and so that you kind of knew like what's coming your way as far as reviews. We're going to be reviewing the Verstand HD, the Angionox 2.0, and the products that I showed you guys. And yeah, and then we'll see, you know, how treatments are going, and obviously want to try it on myself and Kristen. And yeah, I'm excited. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that, and subscribe to see my full series and review of Zemits Professional. They do machines, products. They also sell machines to doctors' offices, like lasers, tattoo removal. I mean, all kinds of stuff. So check them out. We'll talk more about the brand in another video. Whew, I'm sweating, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can get this situated. I'll see you guys back here on Thursday next week for a new one. Love you. Bye.